Hey, I'm Sue and welcome to The Art of Flavor. For our next recipe, we've got a twist on a classic, the ultimate comfort food, grilled cheese. All you really need is a few simple ingredients and of course our flavors. You ready? Let's get started. I'm gonna take your everyday and make it gourmet with our amazing flavors. I've got thick sliced bread. I like it thick. And I'm gonna take 3 tablespoonfuls of mayonnaise. And the trick to elevating your mayonnaise is black truffle. You don't need a lot. I'm taking 10 drops. It's crazy good. Let's mix that up. And I'm gonna turn my stove on with my pan. I've got a little offset spatula. That's what I like to use to spread. If you haven't tried mayonnaise on your grilled cheese, I implore you to try it because it's a great hack. You don't have to wait for butter to soften. It spreads so nicely. Okay, so I'm gonna spread it on both sides. And it's not a lot, honestly. It's gonna be the same amount. I wanna toast both sides. I want it crispy, I want it crunchy, I want it golden on both sides. So that every time you take a bite, you've got crispy on the outside, crispy on the inside. You've got double crispy. Make sure it's even. Go to the edge. I start the pan at medium. Depending on your pan, you might have to start at medium low because you want a slow browning. While that's starting, I'm going to make my ketchup. I'm going to take chili hot. You don't need a lot. It's that good. Like 5, that's all you need. It tastes like a great chili oil in every single drop. And it doesn't linger in your mouth like that really spicy hot chili in your mouth. It has the bright, bright note in the beginning, and it's spot on. I'm gonna get my cheese. You need about half a cup. I'm gonna check my bread. Okay, it's just starting to melt. I'm not gonna increase the heat. Don't be tempted to blast it because you're not gonna get a nice even browning. And for my flavoring, my cheese flavoring, I've got my mushroom porcino, and I've got about 20 drops. And the mushroom is going to work beautifully with the truffle oil. It's like a match made in heaven. The truffle and the porcino mushrooms, same family. So it's going to elevate one flavor to the other. And then I've got pesto. Pesto and cheese live harmoniously together. The nose, when you take it in, it's Parmesan, but the flavoring is going to be very herbaceous and fresh, just like a fresh pesto in every drop. And I'm going to fluff it up a little bit with just my fingers. Mix that in. And what's amazing with the black truffle on mayonnaise, truffle oil is typically served in high-end restaurants. Now you can see it in potato chips. And every time you take a bite, you take in a little bit of decadence, a little bit of something special. So you're taking your everyday grilled cheese into a gourmet truffle grilled cheese experience. It's ready to flip. So I'm gonna flip it. Beautiful and brown. I'm gonna add the cheese now. One side is crispy, so while it's hot, this is when you add your cheese because it'll melt faster. Genius. And deliver that delicious ooey, gooey, melty goodness. And my favorite part of a grilled cheese are the bits that kind of fall beside because they get really crispy and they kind of cling on to the bread. That can be an appetizer on its own. Place the top on, and again, that's hot, so it's also gonna help the cheese on the top to melt. Don't keep flipping it back and forth, back and forth. You just wanna keep it to a minimum. Let it do its thing. I'm gonna flip it. It's already beautifully brown on one side. I'm waiting for the other to be perfectly browned. And then I just like to go around the pan to make sure I've picked up all the cheese bits, and then I don't miss out on any of the goodness. I just want to make sure that everything's evenly browned. The cheese in the middle is melted. There's nothing worse when you bite into grilled cheese and it's still solid. You want that melted goodness. I think we've got it. I'm gonna bring it to the board, get my beautiful grilled cheese. I'm ready for my dipping. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh my gosh, that's hot. That's hot. Be careful. It's like molten lava. Okay. Beautiful grilled cheese. Look at the brown. Beautifully even brown. I've got my cheese little crispy bits, my favorite. And okay, I've got my dipping action. I'm gonna be careful. Do you hear that crunch? Perfect grilled cheese every time. Okay, there you have it. Black truffle, grilled cheese, and spicy ketchup. Get your flavors and make it your way. Keep checking our community posts because I want to hear from you and I'd love to know what you want to see next. Hit like and subscribe, and if you like what you saw, tap that bell icon so you don't miss an episode because we have a lot more recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching. Keep it flavorful. Double dipping, okay.